Here given problem, and this is previous IIT problem. Now let us see 2n c0 whole square minus 2n c1 whole square plus 2n c2 whole square minus so on up to plus 2n c2n whole square is equal. Here given options are first one minus 1 power n 2cn, second option minus 1 power n 2n plus 1 cn, third option minus 1 power n minus 1 2n cn, fourth option minus 1 power n minus 1 2n cn plus 1. Discuss about shortcuts on binomial theorem. If you observe previous JEE mains and IIT problems, the few problems based on binomial coefficients. N is equal to 1 and this is applied shortcut. By substituting n is equal to 1, we get first one 2 into 1 2, 2c0 whole square minus second one 2 into 1 2, 2c1 whole square plus third one 2 into 1 2, c2 whole square, and no need of other terms because next term becomes 2c3. So that is not possible. So we have to stop up to first three terms. Now let us see 2c0, the value is 1 square minus 2c1 value is 2 whole square plus 2c2 value is 1 whole square. 1 square means 1 minus 2 square minus 4 plus 1 square plus 1. Here 2 minus 4 minus 2, and this is the value from given problem. Now let us check the given options. Now let us see first option minus 1 power n into 2n cn. Here already we are substituting n value 1, that means minus 1 power 1 2 into 1 c1, that is minus 1 power 1 into 2 c1. Minus 1 power 1 is minus 1, 2 c1 is 2, that is equal to minus 2. Second option minus 1 power n into 2n plus 1 cn, that is equal to minus 1 power n value 1 and 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 3 c1 is equal to minus 1 power 1 is minus 1 into 3 c1 is 3, that is equal to minus 3. Third option minus 1 power n minus 1 2n cn is equal to minus 1 power 1 minus 1 2n means 2 into 1 2 c1, that is equal to minus 1 power 0 is 1, 2 c1 is 2, 1 into 2 2. Fourth option minus 1 power n minus 1 2n cn plus 1 is equal to minus 1 power 1 minus 1 2n means 2 c n plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 1 power 0 again 1, 2 c2 means 1, 1 into 1 1. Here observe four options minus 2, minus 3, 2, 1. Already by substituting n is equal to 1 in given problem we get minus 2, and minus 2 comparing with four options we get first option is minus 2. So the first option is right answer, and this is the solution within 30 seconds. Now let us see another problem, and also from previous IIT. If CR denotes the binomial coefficient NCR, then minus 1 into C0 whole square plus 2 into C1 whole square plus 5 into C2 whole square plus so on plus 3n minus 1 into Cn whole square is equal. And this is a given problem, and given options are first one 3n minus 2 into 2n cn, second one 3n minus 2 by 2 into 2n cn, third option 5 plus 3n into 2n cn, fourth option 3n minus 5 by 2 into 2n cn plus 1. Here also we have to apply shortcut n is equal to 1. Now let us see. By substituting n is equal to 1, we get minus 1 into C0 can be written as 1 C0 whole square because n is equal to 1 here. N is equal to 1 means, and this is the n C0. N C0 means 1c0 whole square plus 2 into here nc1, that means 1c1 whole square, that is equal to minus 1 and 1c0 whole square is 1 plus 2 1c1 whole square is 1. Minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 1. And this is the answer from given problem. Let us check the options. First option, 3n minus 2 into 2n cn, that is equal to n value 1. That means 3 into 1 minus 2, that is 3 minus 2. 2 into 1 c1, that is 2c1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2c1 is 2. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. First option answer is 2. Second option, 3n minus 2 by 2 into 2n cn, that is equal to 3 into 1, 3 minus 2 by 2, 2 into 1, that is 2cn means 1 is equal to 3 minus 2, 1 by 2, 2c1 is nothing but 2 and 2 to cancel, we'll get 1. Second option answer is 1. Third option, 5 plus 3n into 2n cn is equal to 5 plus 3 into 1, 3 and 2n cn means 2 into 1 c1, that is 2c1 is equal to 5 plus 3, 8. 2c1 means 2. 8 into 2, 16. Third option answer is 16. Fourth one, 3n minus 5 by 2, that is 3 minus 5 by 2. 2n, 2 into 1, 2. C, n plus 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. 3 minus 5 by 2, that is minus 2 by 2 into 2c2 means 1. Here 2 to get cancelled, we'll get minus 1. Here 4 answers are 2, 1, 16, minus 1. Comparing with given answer is 1. Here it is comparing with the second option, we'll get correct answer. So correct answer is second option. In this way, by taking n value as 1, and this is the shortcut, by comparing with given problem to the 4 options. We are comparing 4 options with a given problem, we'll get a correct answer within 30 seconds of time. Let us see another previous IIT problem. C0 into C2 plus C1 into C3 plus C2 into C4 plus so on up to plus Cn minus 2 into Cn is equal to. Here given options are, first one 2n C2, second one 2n Cn, third one 2n Cn minus 1, fourth one Ncn minus 2. Now let us apply the shortcut n is equal to 3. You can substitute n is equal to 1 or 2 also. Here I am taking n is equal to 3. First of all, C0. Here C0 means, actually it is NC0. NC0 means 3C0, NC2, 3C2 plus NC1, that is 3C1 into NC3, that is 3C3. In the next term we get 3C2, 3C4. 3C4, it is not possible. Now, 3C0 is 1, 3C2 is 3, plus 3C1 is 3, 3C3 is 1. That is 3 plus 3, 6 from a given problem. Let us check the options. If you take n is equal to 3, we get 6C2, that is equal to 6 into 5 by 2 into 1 is equal to 15. Second option, 2NCN, that is equal to 6C3 means 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2 into 1, we will get 20. Third one, 2NCN minus 2 is equal to 6C1, that is equal to 6. Fourth one, NCN minus 2, that is 3C1 is equal to 3. By comparing 4 options with the given answer, the given answer is 6. First option 15, second 20, third 6, fourth 3. So which is correct now? Third option is correct. In this way, we can calculate within 30 seconds of time.